Application of HTD series column type bin mixer. This machine features automatic lifting, mixing, lowering, and other functions. When equipped with one hopper mixer and multiple mixing hoppers of different specifications, it can meet the mixing requirements of multiple products and various batch sizes, making it an ideal device for final mixing in pharmaceutical factories. It is also widely used in the pharmaceutical, chemical, food and other industries. Principle of HTD series column type bin mixer. The machine consists of columns, a base, a rotating fork frame, a drive unit, a braking system, a control system and other components. Push the mixing hopper into the rotating fork frame and tighten the lock nut. Start the control system to lift the hopper to the mixing height and position it reliably. The drive system then performs automatic mixing according to the preset time, rotation speed and other parameters. After mixing is completed, the rotating fork frame stops in a vertical position, the hopper is automatically lowered to the ground, the entire machine stops, and the process data is printed. Loosen the lock nut on the rotating fork frame and move the hopper out for the next process. Features of HTD series column type bin mixer. The machine has a rational overall structure, stable performance and easy operation, with no dead corners and no exposed screws. The rotating body, mixing hopper, is inclined at a 30 degrees angle to the axis of rotation. As the rotating body turns, the material in the mixing hopper is not only tumbled but also moves tangentially along the hopper wall, generating strong turning and high-speed tangential movements to achieve an optimal mixing effect. PLC fully automatic control is adopted, and infrared safety devices and a discharge valve disc with a mis-operation prevention mechanism are installed to ensure production safety. Material can pass through different process stages in the same container without frequent material transfer, feeding, and other procedures. This effectively controls dust and cross-contamination, reduces material loss, controls material segregation, optimizes the production process, and fully complies with GMP requirements for pharmaceutical production.